Seeing dried beans in a dream is generally interpreted differently, depending on the dreamer's daily life and the context of the dream. Many dream interpreters consider seeing dried beans a symbol indicating auspicious and positive developments. However, the details of the dream and the actions within it can show significant differences. Seeing dried beans in a dream can also be interpreted as temporary difficulties or situations requiring attention that the person may encounter in their work or educational life. Such dreams are seen as a sign that the dreamer should be careful and cautious when making important decisions. Seeing oneself eating dried beans in a dream generally signifies good news, financial gains, or personal success in the near future. This dream is also explained as reaping the rewards of one's efforts, reaching deserved positions, and entering a peaceful period. Seeing or cooking a dish of dried beans in a dream indicates a period in which the person will gain respect in their surroundings, take on responsibilities, and their troubles will end. These dreams are considered harbingers of relief after difficult times. Seeing dried beans with meat in a dream indicates encountering an important opportunity that should be well utilized. Seeing boiled dried beans is interpreted as progress in one's professional life, promotion, or success in projects. Seeing oneself gathering dried beans in a dream means receiving unexpected help or support. This support may bring relief, either financially or emotionally. Seeing individual dried beans in a dream may indicate small but cumulative problems, distractions in details, or minor disheartening events. It suggests that the dreamer may be entering a period where they need to pay attention to details. Seeing oneself buying dried beans in a dream is generally considered a warning about disagreements and arguments that the person may experience in their relationships or work environment. This dream reminds one to be more cautious and patient when communicating. Shelling dried beans in a dream means opening a new chapter in life, making changes, or establishing order. Although this change may be difficult at first, it will eventually bring peace and happiness. Seeing oneself searching for dried beans in a dream is interpreted as the person feeling a lack in their life or having a goal they wish to achieve. This quest often ends in relief and the attainment of peace, usually in family or financial matters. It's important to remember that all dream interpretations are general in meaning. The most accurate interpretation is made by considering the dreamer's own life circumstances, emotions, and current situation.